Yes. We have a private lesson. But you should be home in a minute. Here, please come in.
Thanks so much.
Such a nice. I am so embarrassed. Instruments are everywhere. We're turning the music room into a nursery.
Dito, Chan. Dito. Oh, yan.
Please, don't. We're really. This is too early right now.
Dito siya magkuha sa makain ko. What they do, right? I don't even know. You know, that goes right in the vault, by the way. And it's like a vault. It's locked down. Fort Knox or some sort of prison. Wow, does he play all these?
Oh no. He buys them on the internet. Garage sales. He fixes me up for students.
This sucks exactly.
Hi ka kay tita mo. Sabihin mo, hello, Tita Cookie.
No.
No, it was.
Diyan, oh.